Number 1. Cucumber offers a fat-free energy source. Studies show that successful fat and weight loss depends on fat intake and not necessarily overall calories. Cucumber happens to have zero fat and low calories, so, even if you've already eaten and are still craving a snack, cucumber is an excellent choice no matter the time of the day. Number 2. Have cucumber juice for belly fat. A good way to pack in the power of several nutritional goodies in one dish is to juice it up. Nutritionists and Ayurvedic practitioners alike recommend a juice detox to cleanse regularly. It can also kickstart your weight loss journey. Cucumber juice is often a star in these detox drinks. Number 3. Or have cucumber salad. Use cucumbers as a base for salads to help you lose weight. Eating a low-calorie cucumber salad before meals helps fill you up, and gives your brain time to process full signals so you don't overeat your main course. Try a mixture of chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, fresh basil and lemon juice for a low-fat salad, or sliced cucumbers, red grapefruit, fennel and white wine vinaigrette for a sweet and sour option. Alternatively, mix cucumber chunks with spinach and red peppers for a filling green salad, and add a handful of mint leaves for refreshing flavor. Number 4. Support your digestive health. Cucumbers are rich in two of the most basic elements needed for healthy digestion: water and fiber. Adding cucumbers to your juice or salad can help you meet the ideal amount of fiber. Your body needs 50 grams per 1,000 calories consumed. If you struggle with acid reflux, you should know that drinking water can help suppress acute symptoms of acid reflux by temporarily raising stomach pH. It's possible that water-rich cucumbers may have a similar effect. Number 5. Support heart health. Cucumbers contain potassium, which is associated with lower blood pressure levels. A proper balance of potassium both inside and outside your cells is crucial for your body to function properly. As an electrolyte, potassium is a positive charged ion that must maintain a certain concentration, about 30 times higher inside than outside your cells, in order to carry out its functions, which includes interacting with sodium to help control nerve impulse transmission, muscle contraction, and heart function. Number 6. Protect your skin against the effects of aging. There is a reason why cucumbers are used in skin care. They have been shown to be effective as a potential anti-wrinkle agent in cosmetic products, protecting our skin from the effects of aging. Thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.